Oh. Okay, so I was thinking, I actually really enjoy Asian food, and I just found something. I found this in a Asian store. It's a tom yum set. So I was thinking to try it out. I literally have everything I need in it. It has everything I need. I have everything I need in it, apart from tofu. It calls for extra firm. I pressed this one for the whole night. Hopefully it's firm enough. I absolutely hate fish, so I'm gonna make this tom yum with tofu, which I actually never really had. I don't remember if I had. No, I had it a couple of times, but I never actually used it in any recipes. I usually use chicken, but instead of shrimp, I'm gonna use tofu. It calls for garlic and tomato. That's everything I need. The beer is just for me, but this is mainly what I need. Oh, and coconut milk. That's all I need. So since I have everything prepared already, I was thinking to just give it a try. I have no idea how to make it. I just found the recipe online. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's see. The recipe says to just mash the potatoes. What the? Yeah, I'm smart. So the recipe says to mash the garlic with the chilies. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have no idea how hot is this pepper, to be honest. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna use one. Maybe like this. How many does it say in the recipe? 2 Thai chili peppers. 2 in the recipe, so I'm gonna use one. The hell? What the hell? It's 5. 5 chili peppers. My god. That has to be spicy. Okay, so what does it say? Trim the top, third, and very bottom of the lemongrass stalks. Using the side of a knife, press down across the stalks to bruise the lemongrass and release the oils. Chop each stalk into 4 pieces. Okay. So. Okay, this is quite tough. I'm assuming I'm supposed to take the first layer off. At least that's what I'm gonna do. Breaking the stalk. Okay. You know, I never had lemongrass. God, this smells amazing. I love it. Oh my god. I never had lemongrass. This is just genius. Okay, so I need to peel this one and mash them into a paste. I don't have a what's it called? I don't have a mortar. Mortar? I don't know. I don't have the thingy that. That smells good. I don't have the thing that you mash things. Okay. I'm gonna peel this one really quick. I don't have a mortar, so I'm gonna have to deal with my cutting board. Should be fine if it's not a paste. They say it'd be a paste, but I think it's fine. Should be fine. Okay. Everything starts with the break. Finally chop everything. Let's see, do I have a light here? We have a light. Oh, it smells really spicy. Okay, I need to remember not to touch my eyes right now. That's really important. Garlic, easy. And this is really finely chopped garlic. I like my garlic chunks. I'm not worrying too much about garlic. Okay. Melt coconut oil. I don't have, I'm gonna use regular oil, sunflower oil. I forgot to buy coconut oil, so a bit of oil goes in. The lemongrass goes in until fragrant. And it should be good. And the garlic and the chili, the galangal. Galangal. Wow, that's spicy. Now I'm supposed to add the broth, but it calls for 5 cups. I'm terrible at this. So the recipe calls for broth, but I don't have, so I'm gonna use bouillon cubes, and hopefully that will work. Next calls for the tomato, which needs to be cubed. So it says 1 large tomato, but I only have this size, so I'm assuming 2 of these. Or I don't know, I'm gonna do 1.5, just to be safe. So that my broth is actually quite hot. The recipe calls for tomato, which I'm gonna add now. Tomato cubed. Tomato goes in. Lime leaves, which I have here. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coconut milk. Shake the hell out of it. And we need 1 cup of coconut milk. And then it says add the soy sauce. Should be fine. Give it a little mixy. Okay. And cover, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes until the broth has reduced slightly. That's what we're gonna do. Unfortunately, I don't have a lid for the pot, so I'm gonna use another lid. But yeah, be back in 20 minutes. So I suck at this. I just said the ingredients, but I didn't really get the amounts. So we'll need, for 4 servings, we'll need 2 stalks of lemongrass, 2 Thai red chili peppers, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of galangal, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 5 cups of vegetable broth, 1 large tomato, 5 lime leaves, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 7 ounces extra firm tofu, mushrooms sliced, of course, 1/4 cup lime juice, seems like a lot, but okay, salt to taste, and that's it. Now, enjoy! So we need to add the tofu and mushrooms now. Hopefully I have room for everything. Mushrooms. And we'll need to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay. Now, in goes the lime juice. Now, I'm gonna cover it and remove from the heat. And let the flavors marry each other for about 10-15 minutes. Now I have to wait. So we'll get a bowl. I don't have fancy bowls, but this should do. We get a ladle. And let's see. Okay, that should be enough. And we can garnish with 1 and 2, because I like it. That should be it. So the soup is done. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, that's enough of B-roll. It's time for dinner. See ya. Side note, it's incredibly hot. I might be a wuss, but other than that, still good. Well, see ya.